Example 8, for the circuit shown here, we have to calculate the effective resistance of the circuit, the current passing through the 12 ohm resistor, and the potential difference across 4 ohm resistor. Alright, so now this resistor here is connected in series, but this resistor and this resistor is not connected in series. Why? Because there is a wire being connected in the middle here. Okay? Alright, so now let's simplify it to be let's simplify it lah. Okay, so this is the resistor gitu. So you should simplify it until it becomes like this. So I'll call this R4, R12, R2. So this is R4, 12, okay? And this is R2. So this is connected in series, hence we can just add them together. So we'll get the value 16 ohm, okay? Alright. And then since these two are connected in parallel to the battery, we'll then use the formula for parallel circuit. So 1 over 16 plus 1 over 2 to the power of -1. So you'll get the value of 1.78 ohm as the effective resistance of the circuit. Okay? Question B pula, the current passing through the 12 ohm resistor. So remember R412 and R2 are in parallel. Okay, so when they are in parallel, we know that the supply voltage, so the voltage supplied, voltage of the battery, is equal to each of the resistors lah. Okay, dia faham macam tu? So it is equal to 8 volt. So we can just use I equal to V over R. So this is for the 12 ohm punya resistor. So you should get the value of 0.5 ampere. Okay? Boleh faham ah? So the wait, let me check. Why am I potential difference? Okay, so now we are asked to calculate the potential difference. Okay, so the potential difference across the 4 ohm resistor. Okay, so V4 lah. So the since R4 and R12 are in series, we know that the current is equal. So I4 is equal to I12, which is equal to 0.5 ampere. Okay, so from here kita just boleh guna Ohm's law, VIR untuk the 4 ohm punya resistor. So it would be equal to this is untuk I4 lah. Okay, so it should be equal to 2 volt. Okay, right, so that is the solution for example 8. I know it's gonna be a bit more confusing when you reach question B and C, because you have to be able to determine the value of current of each of the resistors, and you can only solve this if you still remember the characteristics of resistors in series and parallel circuit. Okay, right, so that is example number 8.